Okay, so the title of this video is a little harsh, but you clicked on it, so surely you're a parent and you know exactly where we're going with this.
Romance and kids don't exactly go together. So if you have kids, then you know that Valentine's Day is going to look a whole lot different from now on.
But that doesn't mean that you still can't enjoy it. After all, it's a holiday that's dedicated to love, and who do we love more than our families?
So today we're going to share a few ideas with you on how to make Valentine's Day fun for the whole family.
Number 1, set the scene. Have your kids decorate the kitchen or dining room by buying inexpensive Valentine-themed decorations from the dollar store or party supply store. Let them go nuts with glittery hearts and cupids hanging from the ceiling. The tackier, the better. My kids love this tradition.
Idea number 2, skip the wine, enjoy the dine. Well, we do have to have a little bit of wine.
It is Valentine's Day after all.
Forget the fancy restaurants, long waits, whiny children. Instead, make a simple dinner at home. You can get heart-shaped cookie cutters and turn grilled cheese, pizza, sandwiches into a very special Valentine's Day treat.
Or you can take your cue from Lady and the Tramp and serve spaghetti and meatballs. Tip number 3, movie magic. Make it a fun family-themed movie night. There are tons of great movies for the whole family that fit with the Valentine's theme. We've compiled a list of some of our family favorites.
Magic Mike XXL, 50 Shades of Grey.
Wrong list. That's for after the kids go to bed.
Cut. The Princess Bride, Lady and the Tramp, The Princess Diaries. And for some older kids, they may enjoy The Fault in Our Stars, Everything Everything, and You've Got Mail. Idea number 4, satisfy your sweet tooth. Let's face it, everyone's favorite part of Valentine's Day is the chocolate. So why not involve the kids in creating a special treat?
My kids love our famous Hershey-dipped chocolate-covered strawberries, but there are lots of other great options for dipping, such as pretzels, marshmallows, brownies, other types of fruit. Anything you can think of dipped in chocolate is going to be a hit.
Kelly, that's for the video.
Oops, I thought we were done shooting.
Hey kids, change your plans. Having fruit for dessert. Idea number 5, get your game on. Games are a great way to wrap up your night of family fun.
It can be as simple as pulling out those old board games you have stored in the closet, or you can go with some Valentine-themed games.
Like Pin the Lips on the Frog or Wrap the Valentine. We hope these ideas help you have a memorable night with the family.
If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.
And please don't forget to leave us a comment below and let us know what are some of your favorite fun ideas to do with the family on Valentine's Day. What do you think?
I think it's delicious. See how legit that looks? Do we need to do that again? By the time we're done, we'll be done. We'll be like...
Didn't you give up sugar for New Year's?
That was January 1st. That's like 3 weeks ago, Christina.
Tell me honestly, do I look fat in this?
We're like Kathy Lee and Hoda, 10 a.m. having some champagne.